In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover, use an 8mm socket, take these bolts out. Grab the cover and just slide it forward. On the sides, we're going to take these covers off. There's two clips, one on the back, one on the front. I'm just going to use a pick to get the front one up. And that should slide up. And we'll do the same on the other side. We're going to remove this AUC sensor, just twist it to the right, and it slides out. And you can see where there's some retainers holding the wiring harness down. Just pop those out, and then we'll just set this to the side. We're going to remove this wire bracket. I'm just going to grab it and slide it forward. It is just clipped in. There's no way to access those clips. Just slide that off, out of the way. Using a 8mm socket, there's some screws on the side. Take those out. There's some wire retainers underneath the panel. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop those wire retainers open. Just like that. Take the wire out of there. Grab this panel. We're just going to slide this forward. Just like that. And it comes right out. Just going to clean up some of the dirt using some compressed air. That's good. Take the wire, we'll just move it out of the way. We're going to remove the cover. There's two bolts in the front and two bolts in the back. We're going to use an 8mm socket. Take these bolts out. And there's another one down here. Loosen those up. You could try using a magnet to get those out, or just leave them in the cover while you slide it out. And take those out now. And just take the cover right off. On the coil, you're just going to grab this ratchet, and it's just going to slide up. While you disconnect the connector, just grab the coil, just twist back and forth, and it comes right out. Take the coil, small amount of dielectric on the end, just to coat the inside. That's good. And put the coil in. Push it all the way down, twist it back and forth, make sure it's seated. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down. And to replace the other coils, the process is going to be the same. When you're near this actuator here, it's a little bit tight, but you can still get those out. You might need some needle nose pliers just to wiggle the coil out. Put this cover, get that lined up. Get the bolts. Get the bolts started. And this one. Snug down the back ones. And tighten the two front bolts down. And snug those down. That's good. And I'll line this piece up. Clip in underneath the weather stripping in the back, and get these wiring harnesses in place. Just pop that open again with the straight blade screwdriver. Go through there, latch that down, take this wiring harness, get that lined up, lock it in, take the screws, get those started. Snug that down, take the cover, line the cover up, lock that in place. Do the same on the other side. Snug down. This side we have the air quality sensor. This side we have the air quality sensor. Push the retainers in. It'll slide in place, lock it down. Then you can take this cover, put the cover on. And take the cabin filter cover, line that up. It's all lined up. Get all the screws started. And tighten these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.